This is Keone with River City Northwest Mechanical. In this video, we're going to be performing a deep cleaning and sanitizing on our ice machine here at the shop. We recently made a video on how to install this ice machine, and now we're going to open this ice machine back up and do a deep cleaning on it. Let's go. What do you think, Mr. Figueroa? Should we begin with the material we need to get started? I guess that's a yes. For opening panels, you'll need a drill or screwdriver with the right size head. For cleaning grime and buildup, you'll need to get some ice machine cleaner. Be sure to check the manufacturer's specification on which cleaner to get. This one is nickel safe, which our particular machine requires. Let's grab some brushes and rags. And finally, some sanitizer. We'll add this after cleaning to make sure the system is food safe. We're all set. To begin, let's open the panels and switch the setting from ice to clean. We'll need to cover the ice with this plastic just in case debris or drips make it down there. Now let's remove the curtain so that we can add the cleaning solution. You can see some scale buildup from the minerals in the water on the inside of the curtain, but it is not just here. The cleaner will help break down the minerals in the lines and on the ice plate. This should be done on a quarterly basis, as this will extend the life of your machine. We can add 2 capfuls right in the reservoir. Now we'll put the curtain back on and let the cleaner run through the system. You can reference the manufacturer's instructions on the inside panel of how to run the clean cycle on your machine, how long the cycle is, and how much cleaner to use. Things like how long it's been since the last cleaning and your water quality will affect how much cleaner you will need. Ooh, look how dirty it is in here. Let's give it a good cleaning. I know I'm not the only one who loves a classic cleaning montage. Ah, much better. Now that the cleaning solution is finished, let's switch off the machine and remove some components for a deeper cleaning. We'll start with the condenser coil filter. We'll just do a basic brush cleaning on the coils since we already did a deep cleaning of them in the installation video. Now let's get the buildup off the curtain and the other components. Mr. Figueroa, you look pretty comfortable on that chair. Oh, you're right. I should get back to work. Looks like we have some more cleaning to do. Let's see if this steel wool will get some of these rust and grime stains off. Can't forget about the reservoir water level sensor. Well, it's not perfect, but looking a lot better. Time to put everything back together. Let's start with the reservoir. Now let's put the water distribution manifold back. This thing was a pain to get out, and it looks like I'm having the same problem getting it back in. When you don't have lubricant on hand, extra virgin olive oil to the rescue. There we go. Now we'll put the manifold cover back on. And put the ice thickness sensor back in place. Let's put it back into the clean setting and add the sanitizer. The factors we considered for how much cleaner to use applies the same to how much sanitizer we'll put in. In this case, we'll put in about a capful of sanitizer. On this machine, the cycle takes about 20 to 30 minutes. When putting the curtain back on, it's important to know that there's a magnet on the bottom right corner. If that magnet is not lined up right, the cycle won't run and the machine will stop making ice. When the cycle is complete, we'll remove our protective plastic and put all the panels back on. And that's it. There are a few more things we didn't cover in this video, such as how to do a deep coil cleaning. You can use specialized coil cleaning chemicals for that, but you would need to empty the ice from the ice bin on each cleaning because you don't want to accidentally get runoff into the ice. So that does make it a longer process. The other thing we didn't discuss in this video are pre-filters for your water supply, but that's a great subject for another video. Excuse me, Mr. Figaro. I wanted to talk about that promotion we discussed the other day and possibly a raise. Oh, you're in a rush to get home? Okay, maybe we'll talk about it tomorrow. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel up to the task of sanitizing and cleaning your own ice machine, I hope this video was helpful for you. Of course, if you'd rather have a skilled professional perform this service for you, we'd love to help you with that. Even helping you set up a preventive maintenance program so that your machine runs its very best year-round. As always, please let us know if you have any questions or requests for future videos. See you next time.